Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, guys, smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you get super notified. In this video, I'm going to be looking out to the Joy Cash review, which is one of the nice installment loan platform loan apps in Nigeria today, which of course you can actually use to borrow a loan in Nigeria. And with this Joy Cash loan platform, you can definitely get a loan of up to ₦1 million with no collateral, no no installment, no collateral, and the other way around. So you can check out Joy Cash loan apps today on Google Play Store, and they are not actually available on Apple App Store yet. But then, if they are available, I'm still gonna make a new video about them. So on this Joy Cash, you have a loan minimum of up to 250,000 naira, and the loan tenor can be up to like 3 to 4 months, which of course you can use to pay back the loan which you borrow from the platform. So they provide a reliable loan service for everyone who is literally interested in getting a loan from this app. You have the tenor of 60 days to 120 days in order to pay back the loan, which of course you borrow from the platform. They also offer a coupon code, which of course if you use that coupon or refer someone to borrow a loan from the app, they are going to earn a commission or a discount on how much you'll be getting, or the interest rate, which of course they will charge you once you get a loan from the platform. They also offer a no charge before you get a loan from the platform, because there are literally some apps or the loan platform which of course they will ask you to connect your bank, charge you 2,000 naira or 100 naira, sorry, or 1,000 naira before they can grant you a loan. And this will determine by them, which they will say that they literally want to confirm your legitimacy and see if all the information you provided is actually legit before they can actually give you a loan in Nigeria today. So you can also invite a friend and earn an extra reward, which of course I just mentioned, just like you referring people to enjoy an freebie on the particular app. So this app already have over 2,000 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.2, and the total download is over 100,000, which means people are literally using this app. And of course, this app is not sitting down just like that. They also do some promotion in order to serve everyone who is actually interested in getting a loan for themselves. So let's see what people are actually saying about this particular app and see if it's legit or not. But based on the reviews, which are the first two reviews which I'm seeing right now are based on the poor reviews which people are actually dropping about this particular app, which says scam. I was tricked to paying a loan I was supposed to pay in 4 installments just once. So just like they say you can actually pay an installment plan, but then this person said that they charged him just one time. So I feel like this might be an issue within the app, but probably based on the agreement which this person agreed on the terms of the app. But then let's see another one which says very annoying. How can they be calling you and forcing you to make payment before the due date? I was called a day before my due date and being threatening. Well, that's actually bad. Yeah. So this is another one which says this app is a fraudulent. They offer me 20,000 naira and applied, then 18,450 disbursed. So payback 8,383 for in 4 installment. Then I called to their hotline to return the money. It ring, no answer, and I call back, it's switched off. Google should take this app down. Cash better send your account number, let me return your money. So this is actually funny. So literally this person went to borrow 20,000 naira loan, and then they sent 18,000 naira, just like 1,550 naira charge, and then they said she'll be paying back 8,383 in 4 times. That is more than 40,000 or close to 40,000. Wow, that's huge. And then she literally wants to return the money back so that she won't face that kind of issue when she's trying to pay back. But then she was unable to reach out to them and so that she can return the money. That's so bad. This is the more reason why I ask everyone to also look into the reviews before jumping up to um, getting a loan from any loan platform, because it can actually hinder and cause an issue in the near future when you're trying to pay back. And also, it's also very important to read the terms and conditions on every apps before, or every loan platform before you proceed and borrow a loan. It's very important to read the terms and conditions so you know how the app is working and what you should expect from them. These are the things I always preach when you're trying to get a loan online. It's very, very important. Had it been they have a physical office, it was just like a bank loan app. They will explain everything to you and no hidden fees or hidden charges at all. So the best one should be loan bank loans, but then due to one or two things or one or two reasons, so I feel like people prefer mobile or online loan platform than just bank. So, and then as a student, banks might not be interested in giving you a loan to sort out some issue which of course you might literally want to solve out. So this is just my review on Joy Cash, and then I feel like, I hope they find this video and also look into it and fix any bugs which of course might happen. And then if these reviews are literally truth, of course they should look into it and fix it as fast as possible. So this is all I have for you in this video regarding Joy Cash installment loan. So let me know what you think about them, and if of course you have used this Joy Cash to borrow a loan before, let me know through the comment section and let's hear from you as well. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more finance video, more loan platform, which of course I'm still cooking and I'll definitely upload in the near future. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.